What up, my G? It's your boy Fresco. We back at it again. And today we got some exclusive content for y'all. I'm opening those 3 Kyrie boxes that I got in the last video. If you haven't seen that unboxing of the Nike Finish Line Status Kyrie Irving Drop Vault box, you could jump into the channel, watch that video, and don't forget to subscribe while you're there. All right, without further ado, we're gonna get right into it with box number 1. Box number 1, Kyrie 7. All right, so this is box number 1 because we know it's a Kyrie 7. Let's get into it. I mean, I'm anxious to see which sneaker it actually is. Here we go. So, I mean, it tells us it's black, white, chili red. All right, Kyrie 7, and it's a size 12. Now, that's funny. That's actually funny because when I won it, they asked me for my shirt size and they asked me for my sneaker size. I'm a 9. I don't know why this is a 12. Well, let's see. Let's use just big brain time. Let me ask Google, what size does Kyrie Irving wear? Kyrie wears a 12. According to the hoopgeeks.com, Kyrie wears a 12. Okay, so we have Kyrie sneaker. They asked me for my shoe size, but this is not my sneaker. It's not my size. This is Kyrie's sneaker. All right, let's see. Oh, this is crazy. This is dope. All right, so let's see what we got. Man, I don't even know how to open a sneaker box no more. I'm so excited. All right, so we got the red Kyrie on the top of the box this time. Okay. All right. There we go. All right, so it's wrapped, not like when you buy it. So it's like gift wrapped. It's you can see there's a sticker here. Okay, it's a good sign. All right, all right. I mean, you see it. We live. We opening it live right here on the channel. All right, let's go. See what we got. Oh. Yo, soon as I open it up, do you signed, autographed, baby. Oh, we winning. Oh man, this is crazy. Yo, black and white too, dope, fire, man. I mean, would I even ever wear a signed sneaker though? So we got 1 signed, it looks like. 1 sig on it. 2nd sig, come on. Nope. 1 sig. But 1 sig is better than none sig. Insane. All right, so that's what I was hoping for. So we got something signed. I'm curious to see what's in the other boxes, but this is dope. All right. Honestly, I shouldn't even be touching these. Did I watch? I don't think my hand's clean enough. So far, I'm happy already. Everything else from here is icing on the cake. Okay, box number 2. This is the lighter box. All right, this is the lighter one. Let's see. And this is like a dope. This is like a magnetic box. It's like a magnetic box. So, I don't know, let's see what's inside. Again, gift wrapped. All right, man. Right here on the channel, live, baby. Okay, this is my size, all right? Oh, this is dope. All right, Kyrie Irving t-shirt, the Nike tee in a medium. Feels nice too. This is fire. I'm definitely gonna wear this. But this shirt does feel bigger than a medium though. And this is like the SpongeBob, yeah, this is the SpongeBob tee. Man, I wish you would've gave me the SpongeBob kit. Yeah, this is the SpongeBob tee. It is, it's loose fit. No wonder. Yeah, it feels bigger. All right, so now we got something I can wear. And we got something else I can wear. This is looking like heat right here. Oh. Yo, this is fire. I never even seen these before. It's like a cutoff short. It says Nike standard issue. Classic style meets modern performance. They got the Peace Love basketball smiley over there. This is just like some crazy pair. And I like how a lot of this stuff is like black and white because Kyrie's on the Nets now. Shout out to Brooklyn. And it's crazy that Kyrie is on the Nets and I'm from Brooklyn. I'm in Brooklyn. My cheeks is in Brooklyn right now and I won. Shout out to Kyrie. We lit. Shout out to Nike. We lit. Shout out to Finish Line. We lit. Oh, so this is a Kyrie pair of shorts. See, as you can see, dry fit, nice. So we lit. Wait, let me see what size it is. Oh, it's a medium. Okay, so look, this is my size too. We lit. We live. Oh, you got the Kyrie, the eye on the back. This is a hot pair. For the free ski. All right, and that's the light box. Dope. They giving me outfits out here. These actually could be worn together. All this stuff. Except I don't wear size 12. Shout to Brooklyn. All right, magnetic box. And definitely when I'm finished with these clothes, I'm keeping this box. Lastly, we got the heavier box. It's like packed, kind of tight. Let's see what's inside. Gift wrapped again. Like I said, live for y'all on the channel. We lit. Oh, more clothing. Oh, wait, no. Oh, fabric markers. Okay, that's different. So this was called the Kyrie Kreation Pack. And now I see like there are creative factors to it, like the cameras in the little box. And now we got fabric markers, right? And it looks like we have a Nike sweatsuit and it's light colored. I guess so that I can like write on it. That's a crazy concept. That's dope. That is dope. I don't know if I will be writing on it. I don't know what else I could do with fabric markers now. Got me thinking. Well, we gonna see, but this is some fire right here. Oh, man. Dope. Yeah, this is some heat. Is it my size? Yep, it's my size, medium. Let's go. So what is this with the, oh, it's like a crew neck. I didn't expect that. You only got the zippers, man. This is like, I'm gonna be feeling like Michael Jackson playing for the Nets. And that is the larger box. All right, so once again, shout out to Nike, shout out to Finish Line, shout out to Status, and shout out to Kyrie Irving for putting together a hard box for your boy in Brooklyn, for the signed sneaker, for the hard gear, so I could get my swag on, get my style on, all right? They sent me something for the summer and something for the fall. We live. I now know that all that praying to the sneaker gods was not in vain and the faith is restored. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and let me know how you felt about the 3 boxes we just opened. I know I'm excited. It was dope. I mean, that was fire. It's your boy Fresco, Technology TV, and you know how I go. Be easy, my G.